Alright, how's it going, y'all? My Toyota engine died. And how did it happen? This is a second gen Toyota Sienna. And it was this. There's two T connectors back here. One's right there, you can see it's still intact. And the other one was right here, connecting these three hoses. Those break a lot, according to the forums, and other people have had the same issue. Usually you can replace them before anything bad happens, but unfortunately I wasn't aware of this, so I never really checked them much, never replaced them, and that one basically destroyed itself, caused me to lose coolant, and my engine overheated and seized forever. So if you all have a second gen Toyota Sienna, and some other cars actually have similar stuff, make sure you check out those connectors. These are going, I believe, to the heater core, I want to say. I don't remember exactly, but I think so. So you definitely want to check those. As for my Sienna, it's a goner. I'm selling it for whatever I can get and replacing it with another car. I'm thinking of Crown Vic, y'all, but I might just get another Sienna because I really actually liked the utility of this thing. So I don't know. We'll see. It sucks. Luckily, I don't have too much money into this, but it's got a lot of new parts. I've been fixing it up and lost the most important thing, unfortunately.